Jai Shri Gurudev, welcome to chemistry online classes. So today we'll explain the electrophilic substitution reactions of aniline. Electrophilic substitution reactions of aniline, that is aromatic amines. Aniline undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction because they shows resonance. Therefore, aniline is a resonance hybrid of the following five structures. Okay. Moreover, aniline, because of the presence of activating amino group, they shows ortho and para products. In that, so para product is the major product. They shows both ortho and para because the electron density is maximum at the ortho and para position. Electron density is maximum at ortho and para position, then in meta position in aniline. Because ortho and para position contains double bonds, whereas in meta position it presents a single bond. Therefore, the electron density is less in meta position, and therefore, so ortho and para so products are formed. In that, so para product is the major product. So therefore, they undergoes a series of electrophilic substitution reactions. So one by one, I'm going to explain. So first one is, that is bromination reaction. Important, bromination. So this is important for 2 marks. Aniline reacts with bromine water. To give a white precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Give a white precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. This is 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, carbon atoms 5, 6. So this is 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. So this is aniline. It is treated with bromine water. So the bromine water, the orange red color of bromine water decolorizes to give a white PPT. Of, that is 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Moreover, so you should have to get the products, that is ortho and para derivatives. The product format should be ortho and para, but aniline reacts with bromine water to form 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. And moreover, aniline is a resonance hybrid. It undergoes resonance structures. It is a resonance hybrid of the following 5 structures, which I have already explained yesterday class 1 day. Okay. And because of high reactivity of aromatic amines and also the presence of activating NH2 group, so therefore aniline first reacts with acetic anhydride to form that is N-phenyl. This is aniline reacts with acetic anhydride. So because of the presence of high reactivity and also the presence of activating NH2 group, it first reacts with acetic anhydride, that is CH3CO twice O at room temperature to give the product, that is Ensign ring connected to NH CO, CH3. Enzymine connected to NH, CO, CH3. Another CH3CO left over, CH3CO, O, and H is there. So we are going to get acetic acid. Acetic acid. The name of this product is N-phenyl. Nitrogen atom is attached to phenyl group C6H5, N-phenyl. 2 carbon atoms. Heat. Type of linkage is single bond AN. CONH is the amide group. The product formula is N-phenyl ethanamide. N-phenyl ethanamide, which is commonly called as acetanolide. It is commonly called as acetanolide. N-phenyl ethanamide is nothing but acetanolide. The acetanolide formed. So reacts with bromine. To give para bromo acetanolide. To give the product para bromo acetanolide. H combines with Br, HBr. Here you should have to write. So 3 moles. So the product formula is 3 HBr also. Okay. So Br2. So you're going to get para bromo acetanolide. Para bromo acetanolide or para bromo phenyl ethanamide. Para bromo phenyl. So N-phenyl ethanamide. Para bromo N-phenyl ethanamide. So the para bromo acetanolide. So on hydrolysis in presence of acid, para bromo acetanolide and acid hydrolysis gives the product para bromo aniline. The product is CH3COOH plus CH3COOH. This is para bromo aniline. This is major product. Formula is para bromo aniline. So first aniline reacts with bromine water. The orange-red color of bromine water decolors to give a white crystal of 2,4,6-tribromoaniline. So because of high reactivity of aromatic amines and also the presence of activating amino group, so therefore aniline should react with anhydrides like acetic anhydride to form the product, that is N-phenyl ethanamide. This is acetic anhydride and acetic acid. So that N-phenyl ethanamide or acetanolide reacts with bromine to form para bromo acetanolide on acid hydrolysis gives the major product, that is para bromo aniline. So this is about bromination reaction, important. Okay. So next, second one is nitration. This is also important for 2 marks. Okay. In order to carry out nitration, you should have to use nitrating mixture. It is a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. It's a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid in equal proportion. Is called nitrating mixture. Okay. Here, concentrated nitric acid will react with aromatic amines such as aniline, but not sulfuric acid. But sulfuric acid So acts as a good dehydrating agent. It plays a very important role. Two roles. So first one, it acts as a good dehydrating agent. Good dehydrating agent. That is, it removes elements of water molecule. And the second role is it acts as a catalyst. It acts as a catalyst to generate the electrophile, that is nitronium ion. In order to generate the electrophile, that is nitronium ion producer. So therefore it acts as a good dehydrating agent to remove water molecule, and also acts as a catalyst to generate the electrophile, that is nitronium ion producer. Okay. So therefore aniline reacts with concentrated nitric acid to form three products here. Here, three products, that is ortho nitroaniline, meta-nitroaniline, and also para-nitroaniline. You should have to get only two products, that is ortho-nitroaniline as well as para-nitroaniline. But because of the presence of, that is activating amino group in aniline. So aniline, on protonation forms anilinium ion. Aniline on protonation forms anilinium ion, which acts as a meta-directing group. Therefore, significant amount of meta product are also formed along with nitro, ortho and para products. Therefore, aniline IUPAC name for aniline is benzenamine, reacts with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid at a temperature of 288 Kelvin to form three products, that is benzene ring connected to NH2 ortho position nitro. This is ortho nitro aniline plus benzene ring connected to NH2 meta position NO2. This is meta nitro aniline plus para nitro aniline. This is para nitro aniline. So a significant amount of meta-nitroaniline is formed because aniline on protonation forms anilinium ion. Anilinium ion is meta-directing group. Therefore, some amount of meta product is also formed. The product formed is ortho is 2% and meta is 47% and para is 51%. Totally, 49 plus 51, 100%. 100% products are formed. So therefore, the major product is para-nitroaniline. So that is 51%. Okay. And also, because of high reactivity and also the presence of activating amino group, so aniline also reacts with acetic anhydride. Aniline also reacts with acetic anhydride to form so N-phenyl ethanamide. Aniline on reaction with acetic anhydride, so gives NHCO CH3 plus CH3COOH. This is N-phenyl ethanamide. N-phenyl ethanamide. This is commonly known as acetanilide. So acetanilide, this is aniline, this is acetic anhydride. So N-phenyl ethanamide, that is acetanilide NHCOCH3. So reacts with concentrated nitric acid. Reacts with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid at a temperature of 288 Kelvin. At a temperature of 288 Kelvin to form NHCOCH3 para position nitro. This is NO2 plus OH minus. I have splitted nitric acid as HO NO2. So here NO2 acts as a electrophile. So therefore it attacks at the para position to form para nitro acetanilide. Para nitro acetanilide plus H2O. So OH combines with this proton to form water. So para nitro acetanilide NHCOCH3, this is NO2. On acid hydrolysis, that is followed by hydrolysis, gives CH3COOH and NH2. Benzene ring connected to NH2, this is NO2 plus CH3COOH, this is para nitroaniline. Para nitroaniline or 4-nitroaniline. This is also called as 4-nitroaniline. Para nitroaniline or 4-nitroaniline is formed as the major product. This is the major product formula. Okay, so this is the reaction. Aniline on treating with concentrated nitric acid at a temperature of 288 Kelvin gives 3 products, that is orthonitronilane, metanitronilane as well as para-nitroaniline Okay, because aniline on protonation forms anilinium ion, in which anilinium group is meta-directing. Therefore, some amount of meta products are formed. The product formed is 47%, and para-nitroaniline is formed as the major product as 51%, and orthonitronilane 2%. Okay, so because of high reactivity of aniline and also the activating NH2 group, therefore it is controlled by using acetic anhydride. Therefore, aniline reacts with acetic anhydride to form N-phenyl ethanamide, that is nothing but acetanilide on treating with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid at a temperature of 288 Kelvin gives para-nitroacetanilide on acid hydrolysis forms the final product, that is para-nitroaniline, and acetic acid is regenerated. So therefore, para-nitroaniline or 4-nitroaniline, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-nitroaniline is the IUPAC name. 4-nitroaniline is formed as the major product. So this is about nitration reaction, which is important. Okay. So next is sulfonation. Third reaction is sulfonation. Third one, C, sulfonation. So this is also important for 2 marks. Aniline reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid. Aniline reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid to form anilinium hydrogen sulfate. benzene ring connected to, so NH3 plus HSO4 minus. NH3 plus HSO4 minus. This is aniline. This is anilinium. Anilinium hydrogen sulfate. Anilinium hydrogen sulfate. Anilinium hydrogen sulfate. Anilinium hydrogen sulfate on heating at a temperature of 453 to 473 Kelvin. On heating at a temperature of 453 to 473 Kelvin gives benzene ring connected to NH2 SO3H 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 NH2 SO3H plus H2O. This is para amino benzene sulfonic acid. This is para amino benzene sulfonic acid. Para amino benzene sulfonic acid, commonly called as sulfonilic acid. Commonly called as sulfuric acid, formed as the major product. Okay, so aniline reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid to form anilinium hydrogen sulfate. Anilinium hydrogen sulfate formed on heating at a temperature of 453 to 473 Kelvin gives para amino benzene sulfonic acid, so commonly called as sulfonilic acid, obtained as the major product. Here, so NH3, so hydrogen is removed, so H and here one hydrogen, H, H2O. Here, so SO3H, so attacks at the para position to form para amino benzene sulfonic acid, popularly called as sulfonilic acid. Okay, so this is about sulfonation. And fourth one, D, Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay. So aniline does not undergo, that is aromatic amines does not undergo Friedel-Crafts alkylation as well as Friedel-Crafts acylation. Aromatic amines does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction, that is alkylation and acylation, because the catalyst used is anhydrous aluminum chloride. Because the catalyst used in Friedel-Crafts reaction is anhydrous aluminum chloride, which acts as a Lewis acid. The catalyst anhydrous aluminum chloride, so reacts with aniline to form salt formation. Reacts with aniline and forms salt formation due to the presence of salt formation. So Friedel-Crafts, aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts alkylation as well as acylation. So that's about electrophilic substitution reactions of aniline. Okay, thank you.